SoundHound, a special live event happening today, August 11th, 3 p.m. Central. However, don't worry if you miss it, it will be available as a video later. But to catch the live presentation and to find out where the buy zone, sell zone, support levels are for SoundHound, clearly you can't afford to miss that for the upcoming week. Here is the related video. Here is the link of the chart. Down below in the description, you'll also find the live event. Join Sensei for this very special SoundHound live chart review. Take care.